You guys remember we did a bunch of work on that. We built those custom headers for that. Those guys stopped by, they just got it running. They were able to show it to us and show it all completed and running and driving, so that's awesome. I'm glad they were able to do that. But yeah, that was pretty much it. They're gonna be they're actually going to a little local car show right now, and I don't know, maybe we'll go get some work done and see if we can check it out. So anyway, just thought I'd share it running and driving, because sometimes it's kind of difficult. We don't really get to do that. We complete it and then it's a project and it gets sent out. So I'm happy that they stopped by and shared that with us, and I'm sharing it with you. So we'll see you on the next one.